Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're doing a post-swarm split. I'll link the video to the swarm that was caught and moved over to the top bar hive down in the description, or put it at the end credits. But this is a post-swarm video. As you can tell, this hive is quite still packed, and we just probably picked up about a 4-5 pound swarm out of this hive, and it's a 2 deep and a medium nuke box. Not even gonna bother going through this top one because I know what this good Lord top one is. It's all honey. I'm not one for gadgets from all the catalogs trying to take all your money. Show you what's down in the second box. But I do thoroughly believe in frame rest. I do not set frames on the ground. I'll set them on the hive stand, but I will not set them on the ground. I left 4 queen cells in this hive. Set it up as a starter finisher. I used all the grafted cells, and the queen was so good and overwintered so well, I left 4 cells from that queen in the hive. Okay, so here's one that's hatched. Here's one that has not. Hopefully you guys saw that. There's 2 more that has not hatched. Three more. So I lied. I thought I left 4 in here. Well, I didn't inspect this hive as good as I thought I did, probably. Because there's 5 right there on that frame, counting the one that hatched. Probably a little early to be going through this hive, because but you never know. You might find a virgin queen in here, and she may be the one that's wanting to take over the hive, which I could catch her, because Johnny on the spot has a queen cage in his pocket. I could go and lift up the top on any of these hives that have a hive top feeder, and you'll find a queen cage in 95% of them. Alright, so there's no queen running around in this box that I can see. I'm fairly good at spotting virgin queens. I'll take a look at this frame with all the queen cells one more time. So far, there's only 1 cell that's hatched. They're still on the others, so that means that the virgin that flew off with that swarm that we caught did not sting them. These are actually chewing at the bottom of that cell, and so is this one over here. So that means they're still viable cells. They were chewing at the sides That would tell you that the queen has already stung through them and now they're tearing them down. Just to let you see how many bees are in the bottom of that box. So that's 3 boxes. They're still full of bees. And if you watch the swarm video, you will see that there was quite a lot of bees packed in this little bitty hive. What I think I might do if I don't see a virgin queen, I might just go ahead and split this girl and cut 2 of those queen cells out. Not only have 2 hives, but possibly have 4 hives. I might just split it one time. Be nice if those queen cells are on a different framer. I found a virgin. That'd be the easiest way to do it. An empty frame they're working on drawing. Do this right there. Alright, what I did is I put the 2 frames that have brood on it together. I'll cut the queen cells and stick in the middle and close that one up. So let me go get my knife. Alright guys, this is my extra set of arms. Alright. Let's see if we got a queen cell here. Got one here, one there, and the leftover one over here. So, I devised this little jewel for us single beekeepers out here. Not single as in not married, but single as in your wife is not able to help. Two queen cells. Push the frame in just a little bit. And a virgin queen just went down in that bottom box. She's right, well, crap, she was right there. So, I have no need for using this queen in that box. So, dang it, come on. There we go. So now that we know we've got a virgin in this bottom box, I will be closing this box up, giving her the honey super, and moving the other box down the line. Thanks for watching. That's a post-swarm hive inspection. Alright guys, in closing, I went ahead and went through the honey super, which after I turned the video off, I remembered there was some brood up there. We've got the virgin in here. We've got the virgin that swarmed and went to the top bar, that I put in the top bar. We have the frame with cells in it right here that I've got to finish closing up. This one had cells left in it. Then the honey super is now right here, because as I went through it, I found a virgin queen in it. So now out of that one hive, we have 4. Just shows you how easy it is to split hives when you got a bunch of queen cells. If you time it right, if you're in the yard, when you see all of that activity coming out the front, you know they're getting ready to swarm, you might get lucky. I don't know. I only saw the one queen cell open, but I did not go deep enough into that one over there. I just, as soon as I pulled out the first frame and saw her, I put it back in and went ahead and moved her to another bottom board. Like and subscribe, you know, all that good stuff. Have a great day. I just had a wonderful day. It's not even half over.